In recent days, I feel that the gear shift is not so smooth, it's too rough actually. So in order to make that smooth, what we have to do is we have to lubricate the moving part of the gear lever. So when I say the moving part of the gear lever, it's a nut that holds this gear lever. And to open that, we need a 6 mm hex key, which is nothing but the Allen key of 6 mm. So just remove that. So while removing, there will be two bushes, one at the rear and one within the nut. So you can see it's of too much dirt. So I'll clean this with WD-40 first. Once done, the next step is we have to lubricate it. So for lubrication, I'm going to use a lithium-based grease. Apply this, lubricate it, and then paste it back in its position. As we all know, any mechanical part, if the movement is not free, it needs some lubrication. So once we give the lubrication, obviously it gets a free movement. The same thing I'm doing here. And while placing that, ensure that you are placing both the washers, so one within the net and one which I'm placing now. Once placed, tighten it back with the same 6 mm X key or Allen key, whichever you have. And to ensure the gear shift is smooth, you have to ride for at least 50 kilometers. Only then the whole lubrication effect you can feel. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching.